Alright YouTube, hey, give me a thumbs up and like us on the bottom of the page down there. Really appreciate that. Subscribe to us, it means the world to me. I've been getting some emails and some questions about some brushes, what kind of brushes to use on wheels, because they're putting their hands behind the calipers and inside the inserts of the wheels. Sometimes you can put your hands and tools back here, sometimes you can't because it's so small. So I've got a couple brushes here, actually 3 brushes. This one right here, these are all linked into our YouTube channel, and it's on our website too as well. You can find these. This works better on the inserts for the lug nuts. It gets inside the small bristles and it cleans them out really, really well. It works really good. And these right here, these things flex, they move, and you can bend them any way you want to. And they go great as they just squeeze in small, tight spots, and they clean very, very well. Both these do. So let me illustrate how to do that. By the way, guys, when you're out here in the sun like this, and it's as hot as it is today, and I mean scorching hot, get you a hat, a nice little hat, because you're going to need it, because it gets so hot. Alright, let's go ahead. By the way, McGuire's Wheel Brightener, awesome product, man. This stuff is awesome. As long as you keep it wet, you'll be alright. Don't let it sit there in the hot sun and dry, because it won't be good. Anyway, just rotate the brush. The small bristles will get inside the holes and clean it. Otherwise, you wouldn't get them clean. Your finger's not going to fit in there. At least mine won't fit in there. Boom. Done. Now, what you want to do is take your wheel brightener and get in here behind the spokes. Once again, don't let it set for a long period of time. This stuff is kind of acidic. It is acidic. And you can just see how easy this thing right here works. I'm still going to have to get inside there behind the wheels with my fingers, and behind here. We'll do that last. And kind of keep your face away as you pull this brush out. All those things will splatter everywhere, all over you. You don't want that in your face. And it's kind of cloudy, overcast right now, so I'm not too much worried about the cleaner drying on me. It will dry, but I'm about to rinse it anyway here in a second. Make sure you rinse it really good, get all that out of there. And then what I do is spray it some more around the spokes, the wheel. Take your hand, go behind the wheel. Sometimes they might have some little balancer weights back behind there, so be careful you don't cut your fingers.
And use gloves.
Yeah, like she just said, gloves is essential. But when you're getting into some compounding and waxing and things like that, my hands get so hot and sweaty, they just get soaked with water and drips out water outside my gloves. Rinse it off. Make sure you rinse it really good. And then for the outside of the wheel,
And make sure you get a chiropractor when you're done with.
yes, I'll second that motion. Get you a good chiropractor because you'll need it, especially at my age. some situations I feel like I need a contortionist to do this work. And just keep wetting it. And this is tedious. This is time consuming. It really is. That's why I got this knee pad down here. Some people don't even clean behind the wheels like that. In this case, I think this one hasn't been done since she bought the car because it doesn't look like it has been cleaned. Okay, once again, guys, these brushes are on our website, and there'll be a link on YouTube channel that you're seeing right now. These are not that expensive. These are about, I think, $15 a piece, something like that. This is, I think, around $15 to $20 a piece. This will last you forever, though, for life. Really will. And of course, your wheel brightener, McGuire's wheel brightener. This is about a gallon. I think it's around $25. But you can dilute this 1 to 5 to 1, whatever you want to do. And it will last you probably 3, 4, 5 months, depending on how much you use it. You got to try it. It really is good. So once again, thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe. Subscribe button, hit that, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.